Non-meat protein sources. Protein plays a wide range of functions in our bodies. It is essential for growth and maintenance, for energy, for fluid and salt balance, for building some important substances such as enzymes, hemoglobin, hormones, antibodies. Proteins are a big part of our immunity. But it is not necessary to eat meat at every meal to meet protein requirements. In fact, even having at least a day or two a week without eating meat will be very beneficial for your health. Eating less meat and more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and beans reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke, reduces the risk of cancer, and fights diabetes, obesity, and many more. 1. Nuts and seeds. Moderate use of nuts and seeds in the diet can add diversity and nutrition to your diet. Nuts are an excellent source of protein, fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, copper, selenium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin B2, biotin, and iron, in addition to good fats and many phytochemicals. Their hard shell keeps the nuts fresher because the concentrated oils in the nuts can easily turn spoiled and spoil in the air. That is why it is best to buy fresh nuts in shells. Store nuts without shells longer in a cool, dry place in closed containers than if they were left in the air or in damp areas. The seeds can be eaten raw as well. They are a good addition of protein to salads, and they can be cooked with grains or vegetables. Unpeeled seeds can be stored in a cool, dry place. 2. Soybeans. Soy, or sometimes called edamame, is a high-quality complete protein source, and provides more protein than any other legumes. Half a cup of cooked soybeans contains 14 grams of protein. Green soybeans can be enjoyed as a snack, served as a main vegetable dish, fried, or added to soups and salads. Soy has many health benefits, including blocking enzymes that promote tumor growth, inhibiting and suppressing the growth of prostate, breast, lung, colon, and skin cancer cells, regulating and stabilizing estrogen levels, which helps control menopausal symptoms and many more. But as with any food, soy should not be consumed in excess. Large amounts of soy per day might lead to mineral deficiencies and could lower thyroid function. However, it is safe to consume large amounts of fermented soy products like miso and tempeh. 3. Beans and legumes. Beans are an excellent source of protein. But their protein is not considered complete, as they are missing one or more essential amino acids. For a complete protein, serve beans and legumes with rice, grains, or nuts. It is loaded with complex carbohydrates, calcium, iron, folate, B vitamins, zinc, potassium, and magnesium, as well as ample amounts of fiber. Beans and legumes also contain certain phytochemicals that have many health benefits, such as slowing tumor growth, preventing cancer cells from multiplying, protecting against colon cancer, and reducing the risk of developing breast and ovarian cancer. In order for the iron to absorb better for the pills, it will be beneficial to eat foods rich in vitamin C. To reduce bloating and gas after eating beans, eat the beans regularly and rinse them well before cooking. Adding a teaspoon of fennel seeds or sea vegetables while cooking is another treatment. 4. Grain. The grains are loaded with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which fuel the body's vital energy needs. Complex carbohydrates provide a steady, gradual supply of glucose, rather than a quick boost. This makes it necessary to keep blood sugar levels stable. While they are a good source of protein, grains are not considered a complete protein. Deficiencies can be corrected by serving the grains with beans or legumes, or nuts and seeds, for example. To obtain the health benefits, the grains must be whole, not refined, white, and the flour must be made from whole grains. 5. Eggs. Many food authorities state that eggs are among the best proteins available. One egg provides about 13 to 14 grams of protein. Egg protein contains all of the essential amino acids that the system easily uses. In addition to being a great source of protein, eggs also contain fats and some important vitamins and minerals. It is also fairly low in calories, about 75 per egg. Organic free-range eggs are a better option, as they contain more nutrients than these. For any inquiries or questions, add your comment. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification to receive all new